Restaurants won't open back up for another couple of weeks. With their main buyers shuttered, farmers haven't been able to turn crops into cash throughout the COVID-19 pandemic. Stateline farmers tell Michelle Rave recent weather, coupled with the pandemic, has made for a very tough year so far.
The COVID-19 pandemic isn't making things easy for Stateline farmers, and the recent rain has had different effects for farmers across the state line. And to top it all off, the rainy weather doesn't help.
There's not as much of a demand from the restaurants. You've got the processing plants that are down, Yeah, it's tough. And quite frankly, the prices, are just not there. They're just not there. They're below cost of production.
For Sandy Brooke and her husband, farming is a full-time job, one that isn't easy when the weather doesn't cooperate.
Now that we have our crops planted, because we're 100% planted, ideally we would like to see some, high 70s, low 80s, nice sunny days, and occasional rain, to water the plants.
The couple grows soybeans and corn, but many of their fields are now flooded.
We need that ponding to go away and those soils to dry out, to get some decent temperatures so that we could possibly replant.
The pandemic has dropped demand for Brooke's crops. That's why potentially losing any of it can be very costly.
It costs approximately $800 to produce 1 acre of corn. So for every acre that you see out there flooded, that $800 is already invested and it's gone. You can't recoup that.
Still, Brooke says she's doing well, and despite pressure on two fronts, Boone County Board member Marshall Newhouse says area farmers are also doing well.
As a whole, our region is, I would have to say, pretty much on schedule for where we would like to be. As a farmer, as I drive around today, I see some fields are beginning to emerge. You see the crop coming out of the ground, so that's just an exciting time just to realize that the season is starting and the work is beginning to show its results, and I'm hopeful for the rest of the season.
But Newhouse says neighboring McHenry County farmers aren't as lucky.
Jumping into McHenry County, it's a different story. We've had a lot more rain east of here, and guys are quite a bit further behind. I would say maybe 3/4 done with corn and maybe pushing 50% done with beans versus Winnebago County, where they're a lot further along.
Brooke just hopes her luck with the weather doesn't run out with her crops.
You gotta wait. Mother Nature, she'll play a few tricks on you. You just gotta be patient. You gotta hope for the best, and when the conditions are right, you get out there and you get after it.
If crops like soybean plants are submerged for less than 48 hours, it has a good chance of survival. For your home team, I'm Michelle Rave.